the 2011 Dodge Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.